That was a good one. What's he doing?
It might get stuck in your
They
gel.
sit on your
Looking up at
visor.
the ceiling.
I don't have any on
What if
today.
he gets hung
Mom,
in
no
her
matter
earring?
if you
Look
don't
at
have any,
that.
Joe, your hair is very, very thick.
That's okay.
I tried putting my hand through there, it just gets stuck right when I start.
Here it goes down the other side.
That's not, Vaughn, you were brave.
I
Are you going down this way or this way?
No, just let him climb. See, that's what they like to do.
What if it falls off?
You might want to put your hand up his head
Where is he?
right there.
I get ready to stick his hand.
Oh, you scared him.
I know, I started him.
I know you're gonna like hit his
He's in
face.
strike
It's
position.
gonna give you that one.
He's in the strike position.
I don't see him. Oh yeah, I see him now. He's wrapped just right around there. This is
Oh.
why you have sun visors.
Did you find your visor in the mountains?
I did.
Oh, there he is.
It wasn't exactly what I was looking for.
Look up, look up.
Hello.
What if he falls off?
You
Can
should
you
wear
see it
that
in the
around
mirror?
in class.
I did when I had one. But I'm
What, put it on your head and
She'll
go
be
on my shoulder.
standing over me looking at my papers. That snake over there.
I like your haircut.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
She's not even acting like it's on there.
They're all
Video
all
on?
now.
What?
Instead of snakes on planes, we could have snakes on beds.
Yeah.
There's snakes on hats.
Snakes in the ground dead.
That would be cool if it kept that
It just yawned. It just yawned on your head.
Well, I want to picture
That's like bigger than your nose and yawn.
Oh my gosh, that was bad.
It's good that you got that on video.
I don't know if I did or not.
Y'all everybody see. Y'all gonna make him bite me with those flashes.
That it was bad. It goes. Oh.
It does that a lot. It must be practicing.
Getting
He's
mouse
hungry.
flies up there. Uh-oh, he's getting. Oh!
You see him going?
Yeah, I see him.
Oh god.
What if he goes down inside your glass and
Oh, just close my
He
eye.
tried a while ago. Didn't he?
Close my eye. Oh.
Sure.
Yeah, his head was took out.
I don't think so. You need to.
I know you have one bit of scaring.
You're better than
I'm
that.
not scared.
You're
One
better than
tiny.
the guy that
No.
comes to our school.
Yeah.
Here's your part-time job.
Oh, well, you need
Hey,
to do
oh
that.
gosh, it's coming back.
Mm-mm.
Excuse me, it's coming back up.
Probably with heat. You've got to see this one. It's going to be brown.
Oh, she's having another one? No.
What?
This one is going to be brown.
Yeah.
I
It's
saw
already
it my leg
changing.
and I thought she had
It's already
another.
changing brown.
Ugh. It's sunny out.
It's gonna
It
yawn
says
again.
Jan.
Looking right at me.
Got a new name for you.
She called me the snake whisperer the other day.
Hey,
Yeah,
y'all.
there's some vultures buzzing around the body like
Hey, can I tell you
It's your turn.
Oh, I
I'm
did.
good. Look at this one. It's going to be brown.
Yeah.